Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix internet connection problems in Windows 11. First method is, click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Click Network Reset. Second method is click Search icon, type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. Right-click Network Adapters, click Properties. Click Driver, click Uninstall Device. Restart computer. Third method is, click Search icon, type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.